Today I am reviewing Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a kitchen appliance that can truly do it all, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker is one of the most versatile and reliable multi-cookers you can bring into your home. This model is designed not only to save you time, but also to simplify your cooking experience while giving you consistent, flavorful results. Let's start with its core functions. This unit combines 10 appliances in one, meaning it's not just a pressure cooker, it's also a slow cooker, rice and grain cooker, steamer, sauté pan, sous vide machine, yogurt maker, sterilizer, baker, and a food warmer. That's an impressive amount of cooking versatility in a single countertop appliance. Instead of cluttering your kitchen with multiple gadgets, the Instant Pot Pro brings everything together into one sleek design. One of the biggest strengths of this model is its customizable smart programs. With 28 one-touch presets, you can cook everything from soups and stews to grains, meats, and desserts without having to guess cooking times or temperatures. For busy families or anyone who likes convenience, this makes preparing meals faster, easier, and nearly foolproof. Speaking of speed, the Instant Pot Pro delivers food up to 70% faster compared to traditional cooking methods. It even preheats 20% faster than earlier models, which means you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meals. Imagine being able to cook a hearty beef stew, tender pulled pork, or fluffy rice in a fraction of the time it would take with conventional methods. Now, let's talk about safety and ease of use. Instant Pot is well known for its safety features, and the Pro model doesn't disappoint. It comes with an auto-sealing lid lock, overheat protection, and a gentle steam release switch that allows for quiet and safe pressure release. If you've ever been nervous about using a pressure cooker, this system makes it much more approachable and beginner-friendly. The 6-quart capacity is another highlight, making it ideal for families of 4 to 6 people, or for anyone who enjoys meal prepping. You can easily cook a full chicken, a big pot of chili, or multiple servings of rice in one batch. For those who like to prepare meals ahead of time, this size is very practical. Cleaning up after cooking is often the part people dread, but the Instant Pot Pro makes it easy. The inner pot and lid are dishwasher-safe, so you don't have to spend extra time scrubbing. The inner pot even comes with easy grip handles, making it safer and simpler to lift out of the cooker when it's hot. In terms of performance, this model is equipped with 1,200 watts of power, ensuring consistent heat distribution and reliable cooking results. It's UL and ULC listed, so you can trust its safety and quality standards. The Instant Pot Pro also includes some thoughtful extras, like an additional sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer rack with handles, which expands your cooking options even further. And if you're ever stuck on what to make, it comes with access to an app featuring over 800 recipes, so inspiration is always just a tap away. With more than 12,000 positive reviews and a 4.6-star rating, the Instant Pot Pro is clearly a customer favorite. People love its combination of speed, versatility, safety, and durability. It's no wonder it's ranked as one of the top-selling electric pressure cookers on the market today. To sum it up, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is perfect for anyone who wants to save time in the kitchen while still enjoying delicious, homemade meals. Whether you're pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, or even experimenting with sous vide, this one appliance covers all your needs. It's powerful, safe, easy to clean, and built to make your cooking routine smoother and more enjoyable. If you're looking to invest in a single appliance that truly replaces several others, the Instant Pot Pro is absolutely worth considering.